Well, good morning, people. Next of all, I'm going to get this off of here because I took this bracket off that was back here, and that keeps me from getting to the O2 sensor, which is down in there. This thing here likes to hit me right in the stomach. So I'm going to fix that. This is an older Harbor Freight, I believe. Anyway, I got it plugged in. It turned the key to on. Stored. Fuel trim system lean. Severity 2 of 3. Repair immediately if drivability issues. Okay, let me go ahead and do that. See, I fixed my problem of laying across that. There's the sensor that I want to get to. That's the upstream O2 oxygen sensor. Down in there, some more wires that are chewed. I don't know where it goes. Maybe it's the downstream sensor. I don't know. All right, here we go. New sensor. A lot of times nowadays, these come with the anti-seize compound on the threads. You can see it in there. It's leaving a little mark on the plastic there. So yeah, it's got anti-seize on it already. I don't have to fool with that. And I'll get the old one out, put the new one in. Now the way this tool is designed to work is to slip over the wires and then down and then around the nut. That holds this into the bowl. And then there you go. Handle's adjustable. And then take it off, slip it back over. Oh, come on. Anyway, you get the picture. New one is in. I'm gonna run a code check on it. I'm getting a little concerned after looking at that more down there. I can see a broken wire. Do a code check on it. There's what we're running right now, 73 degrees coolant. What's the outside temperature? 70. I'm just pushing the information, but that is correct on that, the oil life. 82. I got water in it right now. No check engine light because I reset the light, and it's giving me this reading here. O2S heater control circuit sensor 2. Well, yeah, who didn't know that? All right, onward. What's down below here? Pending. Permanent. 4 of 6 permanent. 5 of 6 permanent. Fuel trim system lean. Well, you know what? If the O2 sensor is not working, what do you think? Cold start emission reduction control system. Yep. It is running a little smoother though. So I gotta find me some shade. What is that coming off the engine? Oh my goodness, I better go check that. Alright, you might be able to see some of the smoking coming up behind the air cleaner there. And I determined what it is, I hope. It does not smell like electrical. It smells like the new sensor burning itself off. And I did put some Freol on the old sensor threads to break it loose because it didn't have any anti-seize. Anyway, yeah, you can see it coming up now. The engine gets warm. Trying to burn that off. Doesn't smell like electrical. Down here, the wires I pulled them up so I can get to them. I don't know if you can see that down in there. That was my concern. that these wires were shorting out something, and so I got them up and out of the way, and nothing was touching. Okay, you can see the smoke a little bit more now. So anyway, I'm thinking she's okay. And door ajar. See, my check engine light is back on. Oh, that's good to know. So I'm going to go ahead and repair the rest of the wiring and see if I can get rid of the check engine light, and bring you back in another video and show you what happens, because I'm getting a little tired of holding my door open with my GM approved. There it is. Couldn't find it. Got this on Amazon. It's the WOD 12, and yeah, works real good. It's GM approved. You don't get any. The 12 is the best. Anyway, my latch in here is messed up, so I've got another latch coming. I'm going to attempt to put that in, and we'll come back in that video, and I'll show you what if the check engine light is off. So yeah, till the next video, people. Hope all your repairs go well. Hope your engine doesn't smoke. Get my WOD 12 Amazon part number out of there. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's dissipating some. I'm going to wait on it a little bit, but that'll end this video. Hey, be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up button. See if I can grow this channel a little more. Steve AZ711. Can they drive? Obviously this one's not driving right now, but it does move forward and backward. Bye for now.